everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. And if this is your first time here, I'm so glad to see you. And if you're already a subscriber of mine, you know how much I appreciate your support. Well, Halloween is right around the corner. And today is going to be episode 4 of my series, Short and Sweet, Delicious Dessert Dips. Now today's is going to be probably one of the easiest recipes I've ever made, and certainly the easiest dip. Now I hope the lighting is good because it's nighttime, it's after dinner, but I wanted to get this one on so you could see it in case you wanted to make it for Halloween or before Halloween. So what do you say we get started? And I'll put my name is Dolores, up above. For those of you that want to know my name instead of The Baking Diva. So what do you say we get started? Let's get started. Well, the first thing I did is I preheated my oven to 450 degrees. Then you're going to need about a 9-inch pie plate. I happen to have a Pyrex one here, but any 9-inch pie plate will be fine. Then you're going to need 1 bag of your semi-sweet chocolate morsels. Now, the recipe calls for 2 cups, but when I measured out 2 cups, it was exactly the amount of this 12-ounce bag. So I have them in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump all these chocolate chip morsels into my pie plate. There we go. Just smooth them around like that so they cover the bottom of the pie plate. Okay. Now next, I'm going to take 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream and I'm going to pour it all over these chocolate chip morsels, just like this. Swirl it around and, get as much of them covered as you can. Okay, now this is going to be our Halloween Ghost dessert dip. Woo, that's right, we have to make it festive for Halloween. So I have these Peeps Marshmallow Ghosts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ghost. You're going to need 12 ghosts. So I have 2 packages here that happen to have 6 ghosts in each package. So this is what they look like, right? So we're going to separate them just like this. They pull apart very easily. And I'm going to start setting them up in the pie plate just so that they touch one another, just like this. You want to cover your pie plate. I'll take a picture of this and put it in for you as soon as I'm done. So for here, I think I'm just going to go round and round like this. And I mean, you can get your kids into the kitchen to do this, or your grandkids. I mean, can't be any easier. Other than using the oven, they can do this by themselves. So let's put a few more of these ghosts in. Aren't they happy looking little things? Now we'll go into the next row. And any way they fit in is fine. Good like that. We'll put one over here. Put another one maybe over here. Put one over here. So you can move them around a little bit, but you do want to try to cover as much of the pie plate as you can. So can you see this? I'll put a picture in for you. Alrighty. Now, you see the little dots on here that already come on the ghost to make the eyes and the nose? They won't stay on here once you put it in the oven. So you want to put your little mini chocolate chip morsels on there. So you can take it with the point facing down. They're very tiny to work with. And stick one right, hold on. And stick one of these babies right in one eye. Just push it down. Okay. These are very hard tiny, very tiny little things to deal with. You could probably even use a little tweezer. Now let me put the other eye in. Come on, little eye, go in there. There you go. Just try and press them down. They're sticking to my finger. There you go. So I have the two little eyes in, and now I'm going to take another one and make a nose. Okay. Off camera, I'm going to go around and I'm going to put the eyes, nose, and mouth on all of the ghosts. Okay? And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to put this plate in my 450 degree preheated oven for just about maybe 7 or 8 minutes. All we want is to make sure the chocolate under the ghost has melted and the ghost sort of turned a light golden brown. And then I'm going to take it out of the oven and I'm going to show you how we serve this, because remember, this is a ghost Halloween dip, right? So don't go away. Woo! Okay, I finished putting on all the eyes and the nose with the mini morsels. Now, I tried them 2 ways. I tried them with the points down, and I tried them with the flat side down. And, you know, they're very tiny, so I found actually that it was easier to put these on, to just place them on there with the flat sides down. So I'm heading over to the oven now. I'm going to put these in, and I'll be back in about 7 or 8 minutes, and we'll have a taste testing. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. These ghosts look beautiful. They're a nice golden brown. I'm going to put a picture so you can see what they look like. Now, these can be served with graham crackers. So I have some graham crackers here, and like I said, this is a ghost Halloween dip, which is like a s'mores dip. So what do you see? We do a taste testing. Let me dip this little graham cracker in and see how it is. I just took it out of the oven. It's very hot. Whoa, it's very hot. Woo, look at this. Oh, my graham cracker's breaking. Oh my goodness. You want to make sure, look at this. You want to make sure that your chocolate chips on the bottom are melted, and they are. And the marshmallow ghost is melted. So let me give this a taste. Ooh, it's hot. Mmm. Mmm. Hot. Hot, hot, hot. Mmm. Mmm. Tastes just like a s'more. The ghost, as they start to cool and settle down, get a little chewy. But the chocolate in the bottom is all melted. It's just a really fun dessert dip to make for Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it, and that's it. You'll be a subscriber and you won't miss all my upcoming holiday recipes. So I'm going to dig into this again, have a little bit more, and I want to thank you all for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!